There's no race. 11th has gone up. He's moved beyond 10,000. Ivo Karlovic with 12,004, and he's with a smidge ahead of Federer now. Managed to break that barrier.
Marcus Simmons won the final, and you didn't even accept his product. Look, Roddick Simmons, Philippus